So, Moses is going to introduce what we're doing today. What are we doing?
We're making mango custard.
Mango custard. You're right. Actually, you were right. It was mango custard. And we are actually giving away 10 cookbooks. It's the Vegan Cookbook by Kyra DeVries. So we're giving out, 10 of these cookbooks, and we're going to make something from this cookbook today to show you. And I think it's amazing because it's a mango custard and there's no added sugar to it. The kids love it. I made it yesterday and my kids keep saying, can I have another spoonful? Can I have another spoonful? So you can use any mango, but we're going to start now. So I'm going to put this cookbook. Can you see that cookbook? Woo. So remember, if you want that cookbook, you've got to email us. I'm going to tell you straight after I finish so you don't get there too quickly. Okay, so we're going to use some dried mango. Now, with the dried mango, I've just put hot water and just let it soak for 5 minutes just so it softens up for your blender. Dried mango, there we go. Some fresh mango. Now, if you don't have fresh mango at home, frozen mango, in the winter, if you want to make this custard and there's no mangoes in season, just get frozen mango and let it thaw. It'll do the same thing. So she actually says you can use it in her cookbook. And what have we got here? Is that just some water? Can you pass that to me? Can you actually put it in there? Is that too high for you? Ooh, there we go, some water. And this is freshly squeezed lime juice. So freshly squeezed lime juice, can you put that in there for me? You can use lemon if you don't have lime. She also does mention that in her cookbook. And some coconut milk. There we go. Now we're going to blend it until it's really creamy. So let's put that on top. Okay, do you want to start blending? Whoa. Okay, so I blended that just until it was creamy. So once the mango, we're not putting it in there. So look, they got their bowls ready to go. We haven't even finished the custard. I've got to cook it out. So it's creamy. This is what it looks like. As you can see, it's really creamy. I've got some arrowroot here because this is what's going to thicken it up. You can use your finger to lick that up if you want. Yeah, I just put a little bit of water in the arrowroot powder and I just mix it and then set it aside while I cook it out and make it into a custard. So I've set that aside. Now I'm going to turn on my stove top. Got to work with a low heat, okay? So you don't want to overboil it. So I'm going to put the custard cream in there. And once it starts to steam just a touch, you don't want it to boil. As soon as you see it warm up a bit and you see a bit of steam coming off, that's when you throw your arrowroot in there. There we go. This is actually showing us it's bubbling and it shouldn't bubble. So my heat is too high. That's how you know. Now I'm going to put the arrowroot in there in just a second. The arrowroot powder straight away with the water. And then I'm just going to mix that until it becomes thick. Once it thickens up, you put it in the fridge and it'll cool down and it's ready to go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Can you see? Do you want to stir it for me? Good stirring. That's it. Whoa. Oh. Okay, so it's starting to thicken up. I've been stirring this for probably about 2 to 3 minutes and it's already starting to look like custard and it's thickening up. So it doesn't take long at all. This is the consistency. So it becomes like a custard, as you can see. That's ready to put in the fridge. Now I will put that in a little jug. Here you go. This is what it looks like. And it seriously tastes amazing. So you would serve that. We've got, and this is how she serves it in the book. There we go. Some delicious custard. And we'll use this yogurt. It's just coconut yogurt. Coconut yogurt. Oh, that looks awesome. And she even sprinkles some black sesame seeds around too, which are toasted. That looks awesome. And there you have it, your mango custard. Is it delicious? Tell me. Yeah? Do you think it's delicious? You want some yogurt on yours? Okay. That's awesome. Now I'm going to tell you, now if you want one of these cookbooks, one of 10 of these cookbooks, write to hello@mumsattetable.com. So that's hello@mumsattetable.com and ask for your free vegan cookbook. Now the recipes in here are awesome. Try them, enjoy them, and we're going to see you in our next episode. Say bye.
Bye.
First, bye.